Temba Mliswa publicly called for the removal of presidential spokesperson Joe Charamba, accusing him of disrespecting President Emerson Mnangagwa and serving opposing agenda as well, alleging the existence of a cartel leaking inside information for political gain. Sabra Mashu Obdapangwa in a Achonoko Kunzi, Charamba Opinion Mawan. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Teaming up Namu Brand Countries in a point statement released Monday, Mliswa did not mince words, claiming that Charambas prolonged tenure has become a disservice to the president and the nation. Charamba, we are not naive, Mliswa said. This is an unequivocal suggestion to the president to disregard the counsel of those around him. It is long overdue for you to have departed from your post, as your unwavering disservice to your superior has been all too evident. The outspoken legislator acknowledged that President Mnangagwa was aware of Charamba's conduct, but is chosen to retain him. However, Mliswa argued that Charamba is repaid that loyalty with repeated disrespect, crossing a clear line with his recent actions, while conceding that the dismissal of any presidential aide remains the prerogative of the president. Mliswa insisted it was the public's duty to name and shame those who are selling out. He went further to allege the existence of a shadowy network operating within the highest levels of government. The accusations come at a time of heightened political maneuvering within the ruling party's NPF, with the succession debates and factional tensions reportedly intensifying. Charamba, a veteran journalist and long-standing presidential spokesperson known for his combative style, has not yet responded to Mliswa's allegations. Doma developments are popangwa in the comment section. Mendo za kura email to give us a each. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.